I think the drivers are great that are coming in.
Georgia Driving Academy has some outstanding students. I mean, really good.
I just get excited when they pass, they get their CDL license, and the joy in their face.
I've had students come back who are living in their cars and thanked me and said, you know, because of me getting my license and you helping me out, I'm now able to purchase my first home.
When the man comes up and hugs you and tells you, literally, you've changed my life, man. You've made a way possible for me to provide for my family, and they do it with tears in their eyes. It's the best feeling ever.
To be able to come back out here on this very yard to where I got my training and help train somebody is just priceless, man.
There's no telling how many families we've affected also, besides just the students have come in. So it's very rewarding. That's what keeps me going.
Hearing stories from different students of what they were doing to what they are able to do now, and how it can affect their family, and the way the life for their kids. And so, to me, that's touching. I'm sorry if I get caught up with that.